Our hero section will be using container fluid to begin to arrange elements on the web page. What container fluid means is that whatever you fix in this div box, why I say it's as boxes is because on your web page you want to arrange things or you want to align them in such a way that they are organized. So containers in Bootstrap are just boxes that you use to arrange elements on your web page such that they are organized. In this case, I'm using my container fluid. I'm using container fluid. You notice that what this container fluid does is it makes all the elements are close to the edge of the browser or close to the edge of your web page. So you arrange all the elements in such a way that it occupies 100% width of the web page. So let us check containers in the Bootstrap documentation so that we will understand what I'm talking about. So containers are a fundamental building block for Bootstrap that contain part and align your content within a given device. So with containers, you don't really have to worry about responsiveness on various screen sizes. In our own case, we are using container fluid. So you notice that for container fluid, all of the elements or container are arranged in such a way that it occupies 100% of every screen size. Let me go back and adjust for you. So you notice that it takes up 100% of the container or 100% of the space that that element is occupying, in the web page. So you notice that no matter how much I adjust this, it takes 100% from left to right. You can see that. So we'll be hard coding. We want to hard code this hero section. So in this hero section, we're going to be using the Bootstrap grid system. We're going to notice that we have like 3 rows in this div class container fluid. We have like 3 rows. First the picture, followed